Hello friends, welcome to the world of Tesla Token, an incredible opportunity with great potential to offer you huge success and prosperity. It's a very unique and innovative global platform where you can avail multiple benefits and work with advanced technology. Tesla Token is an affordable program with generous pay plans. It is the best blend of real, active and passive income. Buy Tesla Token worth $60 and above and stake it to enjoy this exceptional opportunity. You start earning $2 per week as staking income. Grow your income by referring new partners to earn referral income and referral staking income. Each partner in your left and right team, also known as pair, will earn you up to $7. With our referral pay plan, you can earn more than $3,500 per day. Wow, that's going to be huge! You also earn more than $10,000 as fixed monthly salary, plus up to 4.5% as global pool royalty, as per your level. Isn't it incredible? So, what are you waiting for? Get into the great earning and life-changing opportunity and achieve greater success in life. Wish you all the best and phenomenal success. For more details, please go through with our PPT and visit our website www.teslatoken.uk.